In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use text replacement just like on your phone you might use, but on your computer and anywhere on your computer. So for instance, if I type DXL and then I press space, it's going to automatically insert my website here. And this helps so much. This applies on my email, it applies any browsers, any programs that I'm in, if I'm in Adobe Illustrator, just anywhere. So I first asked for this because I use this on my phone. If you're not familiar with doing this on your iPhone, you go into your keyboard settings and you can set up little keyboard shortcuts. And they're so helpful when you're sharing your website, your email address, my Zoom login, my address for when I'm ordering stuff online, just all kinds of things. They are so, so helpful. And I wanted to do this on my computer, but a lot of people were suggesting things that only worked on your browser, only worked in Microsoft Word, only worked in Adobe programs, like certain programs, but I wanted it to work everywhere. And so I finally found what's called AutoHotKeys, and it seemed really complicated and a little bit difficult at first, but it turns out this was actually quite easy. So there are about 1 million things you can do with AutoHotkey. I'm just going to show you this text replacement one. If you are into coding, definitely check it out because you can do millions of other wonderful things. So you're basically just going to download, and you want to download version 2.0 and make sure that is good and installed on your computer. Now the next step is to try not to judge my desktop because this is just how I live my life. You're gonna right click new AutoHotkey script, and then you'll give it a name. So I'll just say AutoHotkey demo script. We're going to do minimal for V2. It just helps a little, and then you click edit. And what we have here is basically a text file, and you're just going to put any of your AutoHotkey information in it. So the text for your text replacement looks like this. So you have : and your little text short code, : and then what you want it to replace with. So this is my personal email, so I have my initials LRSE for email. And then if I wanted to do my work email, maybe I would do like work E, and you want to make it something that you're not going to necessarily type too much. So this could be in like worked or something. So maybe I would do like work M, or I would do like D by L E, which is the name of my company, E for email, kind of like how I did my initials E, : and we'll type info@bylaney.com. That's my work email. Now I'm just going to leave this one in here because I don't want to overwrite anything that I already have, and I'll click save on this AutoHotkey demo script. Now in order to make it run, you're just going to click AutoHotkey demo script. It doesn't look like it's doing anything, but now we can test it out. All right, our testing is D by L E, so let's type it, D by L E. And then I press space after that, it automatically replaces it with my email. So whenever I'm talking to someone in an email, I can say, hey, shoot me an email, here's this. Or if I'm typing my email into an online order, I can just type in D by LE. It's automatically going to replace with that text. And you can do this with so many things. I have links to certain things on my website, such as my AI course that I always just forget if it's free Illustrator course or free Adobe Illustrator course or what. So I just put it in as AI course. I have a link to my Zoom link, so I can always just put this in an email or a calendar invite really easily. I just type in LZoom, and obviously I would never remember this link off the top of my head. The only confusing part about this is technically you need to click on this script every time you log into your computer in order to have it running, otherwise it won't run. So how do you create it so it will do this on startup? So I just followed these instructions right here, and I am not tech savvy at all, but basically I press Win R. There's probably a different way to do this on a Mac, and then you type in shell startup. That's going to bring you to this startup folder, and all you need to do is copy and paste your shortcut to your hotkey script into that folder. You see we have LRSE here, and now it's automatically going to run upon startup. So then when I go and click on this one, it will tell me an older instance of the script is already running, and I can replace it with this instance if I've made any updates. Now if you ever want to make any updates to this, just right click it, click edit in Notepad, and then you can add additional things. So say every time I type ABC, I really wanted it to type out the whole alphabet. TUV. This is a test, how fast can I type out the whole alphabet. I'll click save, and then what I would need to do to have that run on this session is I would need to click it again and replace it with this particular instance. Now let's see, every time I press ABC, we have the entire alphabet. So I hope you can see how useful this would be. I do a lot of affiliate sales, so I try to set up little shortcuts for all of my different affiliate links. The Zoom one has been such a lifesaver because I can just automatically put that into any email, calendar invite, etc., and I don't have to worry about remembering those links. So absolutely love this. It feels like you're doing some crazy coding, but it's really not actually that complicated. So let me know what you thought of this, and if you have any other tips for AutoHotKeys, because I know there's thousands of things you can do with them, please leave them for everyone in the comments below.